BINUS Educator Conference. We truly hope that in the fourth one, it's bigger, it's better. It's our first time that we invite external guests to our school premises, and it's good to have 500 plus teachers from Simpruk, Serpong, Bekasi, Semarang, and Surabaya from all BINUS schools together.
Well, since the BEC happens only once every 2 years, it is really the hope to bring collaboration among BINUSian teachers and make it happen. Also that since all of us are BINUSian teachers, we experience the same challenges, we celebrate the same wins. So this is a good time for us to really get together as a family, especially now in the age of AI. What do we do as educators? What happens in our classrooms? What do we do with our students? So the hope for this particular conference is to exchange ideas, to have strategies on how we move on, because definitely AI tools are rampant. It's out there. As teachers, as educators, how do we ensure that our students, instead of becoming just plain users, become actual producers, can intelligently navigate through the use of AI in this time and age?
Oh, what's your name? I'm so inspired, first of all, by the educators here and how innovative and pioneering the ideas are. So I shared the importance of really good pedagogy first, and choosing tools that are serving students' learning and based on effective pedagogical principles.
We do hope that with the collaboration between BINUS and Mentari, we can keep inspiring BINUS teachers and the teachers around Indonesia to become a better educators, and then inspiring the knowledge and collaboration. I wish all the BINUS teachers to keep be amazing